Let's talk about the recently launched Vivo smartphone Y73. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display with 6.44-inch Full HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 90.37% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 408 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear. That includes 64-megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 2-megapixel macro camera, and with 2-megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 16-megapixel camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 11 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 11.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, paired with Mali G76 MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128GB of UFS 2.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB. Dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.24 by 74.37 by 7.38 mm, and it weighs around 170 grams, and the color options Roman black, diamond, flare, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint scanning for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y73 has been priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 89,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y73 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.